I'm Tim. I'm from Lafayette, Indiana.
And Tim, can you tell us what kind of problems you were having?
I have RSD. My arm would swell up, fingers would swell up. I'd just get my muscles would get all jammed up, and I couldn't use anything, couldn't hardly move, get around. Just generally hurt constantly.
Wow. And what kind of pain did you have? Was it like sharp pains or just constant pain?
It was constant, sharp. It was everything. I mean, some days it'd be worse, some days it'd be better. You never knew till you got up in the morning.
Wow. What year was it when you started experiencing this pain?
Late '91.
And what did you do when you started feeling it? Did you start to go try to see doctors?
Yeah, I went to see the family doctor, and then he sent me to pain management doctors and everything. And one of them came up and put a neurostimulator in, and it's helped me some. I mean, it doesn't make it better, but it makes it tolerable.
So what happened, at what point did you say, I still need more help, and you started looking for Dr. Schwartz?
It was probably 5, 6 years ago. I'm really not sure when it was, but I got jammed up, couldn't move, couldn't do nothing. They just kept throwing more pills at me and everything, and I said, you know, this just ain't a way to live. And my dad and my sister found Dr. Schwartz on the internet and throwed me in a truck and brought me down here.
Wow, so how far did you guys come to see Dr. Schwartz?
600 miles.
You drove 600 miles. And what happened when you got here? What did Dr. Schwartz do?
Yeah, first thing he did was run me through a whole battery of tests. He wanted to find out what it was. He didn't want to just say, hey, okay, yeah, you're sick. Here, I got some stuff that'll fix you. He wanted to know what it was and wanted to really try to help.
So was that the first time you felt like someone was truly trying to find the root of your problem?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow. And what did you do after that?
After that, after the test and everything, I went home and I come back and started my treatments with him, and spent a week down here getting shots every day. And when I got down here, I couldn't move my arm, couldn't hardly move myself. And
what happened to your body?
It all jams up. My shoulders will actually just kind of suck up around my neck. My arms will swell. My fingers will swell.
Do you lose coloration too?
A lot of times when it gets real bad, they'll discolor. They'll turn purple or blue.
Wow. And so after the treatment, you did a week of treatment. How much change did you notice?
No, a lot. I got home and got off the plane. Hadn't been able to pick my arm up for about 4 months. And got off the plane, wife picked me up, and she pulled up there, and I waved at her.
First time you waved in a while.
Oh, yeah.
I bet that was a great feeling for you and your wife.
Oh, yeah.
That's wonderful. And so how often do you come to see Dr. Schwartz?
I was coming every month for 2 to 3 days for a while. And this last year, I've kind of let it go way too long. I had other things going, and I didn't get around to getting down here. But I knew I was getting bad, and it was time to get down there.
So you came down this week, and you're hoping you'll feel back to normal tomorrow?
Oh yeah. I'll feel a lot better in the morning.
That's wonderful. And for people with your problems, can you just tell them a little bit of advice?
You know, you're watching this on the internet, just come on down, see him, take a chance. I mean, you've already taken enough with other doctors. What's it gonna hurt to take one more? You might actually find out you like the guy.
That's awesome. And tell us your favorite thing about Dr. Schwartz and his honesty.
He is honest. That's just it. I mean, it's hard to find a doctor anymore that cares more about the patient than anything else. I mean, a lot of them just, you know, all they see is a dollar sign walking through the door anymore. You know, he don't. He sees you and he wants to help you. So,
that's
what more can you ask for?